Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and in this video I'm going to give you the secret here of how you reduce the cost of your bathroom remodel. How do you do it? Like, what is the trick? How do I not have this thing cost me $60,000 for this little bathroom? Okay, the biggest driver of cost of bathroom remodels, and we have other videos about this so you can go and watch those, but I'll tell you right now, the biggest thing that increases cost in bathroom remodels is moving the plumbing. If you are moving the toilet and you're moving the shower over here and you're stealing this closet, you're gonna put the sinks in there and yada, 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 and you just gotta freaking move every single drain and every supply line in that whole bathroom and you gotta add 7 more, that is going to be a costly bathroom remodel. Not just because of the cost of the plumbing. Obviously, plumbers are expensive. You gotta pay the contractor to then manage the plumber to make sure he doesn't screw it up and make sure he's doing his job correctly and blah, blah, blah. But it's not just because of that. When you move plumbing, you wind up affecting a lot of other things. You can affect the walls, you can affect the concrete floors. When you take out concrete in a floor, now you have to termite treat underneath that concrete. There's a lot of things that pile up as a result of moving the plumbing, because it is such a foundational thing. And once you move the plumbing, then you have to basically customize everything around it to make it all tie in and actually go together. So you can have a lot of unintended consequences to other areas just by moving the plumbing around. So if you want to reduce the cost of your bathroom remodel, find a really good way to do it so that you don't have to move all the plumbing around. For example, a really great idea that not a lot of people necessarily think of or do is one way that you can rearrange the arrangement of your bathroom without necessarily moving plumbing is rotating your toilet by 90 degrees. You can actually, by just doing a little bit of concrete work and just adding one fitting called an offset flange to the flange of your toilet, you can shift the toilet 3 inches, which can sometimes allow you to turn it 90 degrees, and you can rebuild the water closet around it if you have a water closet, and you can totally change the flow and arrangement of the bathroom just by moving, just by rotating that toilet by 90 degrees. That can be a very, very successful action. And I've seen a lot of people do it with a lot of success, and it goes from the $60,000 massive bathroom renovation to something that's more manageable, like 30 or 35, because then you're not having to move all these other things, and you can keep the plumbing in place other than rotating that toilet. So, I could go on for days about these tricks. The bottom line is, if you can figure out a way to do your bathroom renovation without moving every piece of plumbing or minimal pieces of plumbing, that's the way that you do it. If you need some professional guidance on this, we design bathrooms at Home Love Construction. We're a design build firm, so part of that is design. We have a very strong design team. They get amazing designs done. And so if you want help with that, you can go to homelove.construction/design. If you want to work with my team that does all of our designs for our projects, go to homelove.construction/design, and you can work with those people, like those professionals who I've assembled to do these amazing designs. And you can also see some examples of stuff that we've done in there. It's pretty mind-blowing. So that said, go to homelove.construction/design to get your design started right now. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate your attention. Smash the subscribe button if you got some value out of this. It helps me out a lot. Thank you. I'll see you in the next vid. Peace.